Calls to this number will be recorded for comedy and posting purposes. If you do not agree with this, please hang up now.
Hello, this is Lenny.
Huh?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
Hello, Lenny. No, my name is Clayton. You have shown an interest regarding additional income opportunity. That's why I'm calling. How are you doing?
Yes.
Okay. How are you doing, sir?
Oh, good. Yes.
Oh, great. So tell me, do you have any experience in investing or some financial market and so forth?
Oh, yes. Someone did say last week. No, someone did call last week about the same thing. Was that you?
No, sir. I guess that was another company, because I'm calling you first time. I'm from Capital Group Company.
Yes. Sorry, what was your name again?
My name is Clayton Gray.
Well, it's funny that you should call, because my third eldest, Larissa, she was talking about this just last week, and she is very smart. I'll give her that, because she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed with distinctions. We're all quite proud of her. Yes. So
yeah.
Yeah, she was saying
You're gonna be proud of her.
Look into this sort of thing. So what more can you tell me about it?
Yeah. Firstly, I know a little bit about you, because you're gonna be my client. So, tell me about your experience in investing in the industry.
I'm sorry, I couldn't quite catch you there. What was that again?
Oh, sorry. I said, could you tell me about your experience in investing industry, if you had it?
Sorry, again.
Do you hear me clearly? Do you hear me clearly?
Could you say that again, please?
I'm asking you, could you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Great. So I'm asking about your experience in investing or some financials market.
Sorry, which company did you say you were calling from again?
Sorry, I'm calling from Capital Group. I told you before. So we are providing consulting service in the industry of investing. So,
well,
and as you know,
here's the thing, because the last time that someone called up and spoke to me on the phone, I got in quite a bit of trouble from the people here, because I went for something that I shouldn't have. I probably shouldn't be telling you that, but yes, I think my eldest, Rachel, she wouldn't speak to me for a week. Now, that happens, but that really hurt, and sometimes in family, these things are quite important. They're more important than any job or phone call or whatever it is.
Yeah. So, is it problem to you?
Since you put it that way, I mean, you've been quite friendly and straightforward with me here. Hello?
Okay. Yeah.
Hello?
I'm asking.
Are you there?
Yeah. Hello.
Oh, yes. Sorry. I have a bit of a problem with this phone and my hearing. It's not so good. Yes. Sorry. What were you saying again?
I have asked you about your experience in the financials and the investments, maybe some financials markets, things like that.
Well, with the world finances the way they are, I know, we're not allowed to spend as much as what we were. I mean, how is this going to how is this going to work?
Yeah, but firstly, before I'm gonna tell you about the product, I want to know a little bit about yourself to match your expectation.
Well, that that does sound good. I mean, you
I,
have been very patient with an old man here. It's something that I've been told that I should be looking at. My third eldest, Larissa, I think I mentioned Larissa before. Yes, yes. She says that I should be going for something like this. What is most appropriate for the time, and I guess whatnot. Sorry, could you just hang on for 1 second here? Hang on. Yes. Sorry about that.
is
Sorry,
that
what were you saying there again?
is that gift?
Well, it's funny that you should call because my third eldest, Larissa, she was talking about this just last week, and she's well, she is very smart. I'll give her that because she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed with distinctions. We're all quite proud of her. Yes, yes. So, yeah, she was saying that I should look into this sort of thing. So, what more can you tell me about it?
Hello, Lenny.
I'm sorry, I couldn't quite catch you there. What was that again?
How old are you?
Sorry, again.
How old are you?
Could you say that again, please?
Are you mocking me?
Yes, yes, yes.